आज के एपिसोड में 4 सिंगल गाइज विल रेस टू डेट वन इररेसिस्टिबल गर्ल। लड़की पूछेगी सवाल, कुछ फ्लर्टी।
मैं बहुत जल्दी इम्प्रेस हो जाती हूँ डांस मूव्स से, सो इफ यू हैव एनी।
थोड़े थॉटफुल एंड काफी बोल्ड। जवाब पसंद आया, दे स्टेप फॉरवर्ड।
यू आर वेरी पॉइंट ब्लैंक एंड डायरेक्ट, सो डेट।
अगर नहीं, दे वेट। इट्स ए रेस फॉर लव, लेकिन सिर्फ एक क्रॉस करेगा फिनिश लाइन। दिस इज डेट और वेट।
Hi, I'm Bhumi Asnani and I'm a dancer and a digital creator. आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ to find a compatible partner for myself. I need a very funny, sporty person, just like me. So let's see how it goes.
Hi, my name is Leon. I am 29 years old. I'm ethnically Persian, but born and raised in India, so that's why I'm wearing this. And namaste. दिल से हिंदुस्तानी।
मेरा नाम है शाश्वत द्विवेदी और मैं इस शो पे आया हूँ एक रियल कनेक्शन ढूंढने के लिए। आई एम जस्ट अ सिंपल गाय विद अ बिग हार्ट, ब्लेस्ड विद सम गुड लुक्स एंड अ ग्रेट हाइट। सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस।
हाय गाइस, आई एम अखिल मेनन एंड लगता है ये सिंगल हुड कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड हो गया, तो अब 4 लौंडे एक रेस में भागने वाले हैं टू एक्चुअली फाइंड द वन।
हाय गाइस, माई सेल्फ आतिश एंड आज मैं इस डेटिंग शो पे इसलिए आया हूँ बिकॉज डेटिंग ऐप से तो मेरा भरोसा उठ चुका है। So let's see if I can actually find a good match today.
Hi boys. Hi. That's so sweet. Y'all look great, good outfits. I like the Indian touch.
Thanks.
And I like the business formal, but I mean, there are a couple of things that I don't like here.
I think that's for you to change.
Ouch.
Open.
I mean, I didn't say it about you though.
Okay.
I mean, now that you just said that, you're gonna stand there.
I'm sure.
Anyways.
She's not here to fix you, bro.
Man, but what's up with the skinny jeans? Can I ask?
That's a red flag.
Yeah.
That's a red flag.
सलमान फैन है भाई।
सलमान फैन।
So I'll get straight to it. I mean, why should I choose you?
I'm the only one with a beard here.
Oh,
I've heard women like beard.
You can just come here.
Let's go.
what?
I'm kidding.
My family hails from Iran.
I didn't ask about your family. I asked about you as a
I
person.
skateboard. I used to be India's 4th best 400-meter runner at one point. And
Now we're talking.
yeah, okay. Athletic person.
Now we're talking.
Nice.
I write music and sing as well, and I have 3 songs on Spotify as well.
Is he here to promote himself or? I mean, let's see.
I've heard you create content, right?
Yes, I do.
So what kind of content do you make?
I'm a dancer and I create
You're a
dance
dancer.
content. Yes.
Well, I don't mind learning dance, and then we can
Okay.
do a small collab on social media and in life as well.
Are you looking for a date or are you looking for a collaboration?
That's a nice question.
ये फंस गया। तो डांस या लाइफ पार्टनर के साथ थोड़ा बेटर होता है।
Oh, that's
So
sweet.
I think more than making me interesting, I think we should focus on making us interesting.
Well, I'm a very good bathroom singer. If you're interested into that, that's very interesting about me and a good singer. So maybe I can, say for you.
Oh,
In the bathroom?
हिमेश भाई अप्रूव्ड है भाई तू।
Bathroom में गाएगा।
Bathroom में गाएगा।
Leon, I really enjoyed your answer when I asked. You were very point blank and direct. So date. I
Let's
think.
go.
Yeah. I mean, I like that you play music, guitars, and I'm also into music a lot. But I didn't find it that interesting. Maybe next round. You're a very sweet guy, but it's not the spice that I'm looking for. And I mean, I could have really taken you forward, but I mean, good luck next time.
But I'm the only one ahead.
Yeah. Woo! For now. If I'm in a room full of people and you enter and you see me, आप मुझे कैसे impress करोगे? How would you come to me and raise me up?
I'd come.
No, turn back.
भाई सही था, मैं पड़ जाता। बहुत सही। ये कर।
No, I'm not. Okay, the walk was wrong. The walk was wrong. I'd probably come like, yo, what's up?
No, are you coming to your bro?
Huh?
Am I your bro?
Damn it, पीछे चले जाओगे भाई।
Hi.
Hi.
Atiksha, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Love
too.
your outfit.
Thank you.
And your nails too.
Thank you.
Are those acrylics or stick-ons?
These are extensions. You know what
Extensions.
are?
Yeah. Are those coffin by any chance?
Really?
I really like those though.
Thank you. I mean,
Lovely dress and lovely smile also.
thank you.
Do you mind having a drink together?
Sure. I mean, since you know,
Thank you. Chalo, Arif.
please don't get on your knees.
Hi.
Hi.
Girl, I would never play hide and seek with you. Because a girl like you is impossible to find.
Oh, that's sweet. I am a little bit impressed, I would say.
These pickup lines work.
They do, they work on her.
A little bit impressed, I said.
Little bit, huh?
भाई बम्बल इंच में तो काम नहीं करता यार.
I'll make it easy for you. Since I'm a dancer, मैं बहुत जल्दी impress हो जाती हूँ dance moves से. So if you have any in your book.
Shall I do a moonwalk?
Go.
I don't know.
Oh, you know how to moonwalk.
I can try.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Hi.
Hi.
I just noticed this कि मैं उधर अकेले नाच रहा था and it was not that fun. So do you want to join me?
I'll let you know about that.
Fair enough.
पता चल जाएगा.
Just to let you know, मैं वहाँ पे हूँ.
Yeah.
Nice.
उधर थोड़ा लेफ्ट. थोड़ा और पीछे.
That's what I'm talking
थोड़ा और पीछे.
about.
Okay, now forget what I did in the past, okay?
No, I cannot. I cannot.
Do you know what they say in Farsi for a woman like you?
No.
Mesle goli. It means like a rose.
Oh, you could have just said a rose. But okay.
I had to throw the Farsi line in, bro.
ठीक है.
सही है कि नहीं?
Continue.
और क्या बोलूं यार? पैर फूट.
जय माता दी जय.
जय माता दी.
But
Let's rock.
I think
No wonder you all are single, man. No wonder.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
I'm a goof. What do you think, bro?
No wonder. Yeah, you should. You know it. Yeah, I mean, you can stay where you are, and I think.
Let's forget about what happened this
No, I cannot ever. And I really like your confidence, and I would like for you to take a step forward.
शाबाश. क्या बात है. Good, join the club.
आपको अगर अपने पास कुछ बताने को हो तो you tell me later. Then we'll decide if you want to take a step ahead or not. You're such a sweet guy. Yeah. You can take a step ahead just for being sweet. I think. So, I mean, it's a very tricky and a complex question. What are your red flags?
My previous round.
मेरे कोई रेड फ्लैग्स हैं नहीं वैसे तो. I'm a pretty green flag guy. रेन फॉरेस्ट बोल सकते हैं. But I think साथ में रह के I think हम मैप आउट कर सकते हैं if I'm not wrong.
You know, the people that say कि मेरा कोई red flag नहीं है are the biggest red flags.
मेरा रेड फ्लैग ऑनेस्टली है कि आई एम अ लिटिल पॉजिटिव गाय. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेटली
चीखते चिल्लाते हो क्या
ना
तुम?
पॉजिटिवनेस इज डिफरेंट एंड you know
मजाक.
aggression is a different thing. So when I am passionately involved with someone, उनकी छोटे छोटे भी changes और छोटे छोटे थोड़ा सा मुझे bother करती हैं. That's the truth about me.
That's not a red flag, but okay.
I don't know if it's a red flag, लेकिन मेरा इंटरेस्ट बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है अगर
You look
कोई-
nonchalant. Very,
That's the red flag I'm talking about.
yeah. Except
And I
the fact
accept
that
it.
you're actually dressed like one.
And I accept it. So yeah.
I think my biggest red flag is the fact that I am a little too much of a goof. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही हरकतें करता हूँ. This is literally my life. You know, at the start, the woman always thinks कि अरे यार ये बंदा बहुत सही है यार एकदम happy.
No, I didn't think that.
No, like he's fun, he's energetic and all of that shit.
Yes, that I.
And then जब हरकतें चालू हो जाता है ना तो फिर 3 स्टेप पीछे लेने बोलते हैं. So being a goof is my red flag.
Yeah.
What I think.
And the green flag about you
Alright.
is that you've accepted it now.
Yeah. Hey,
Nice.
Let's go. What's up, Rajput?
आपके रेड फ्लैग्स क्या हैं?
My red flags are I don't like humans. A lot of humans around me. I am very selective and yes, I really prefer animals over humans. My point was, I am a little picky. I get picky. I judge people a lot, and I don't let anybody in so easily. So
So basically you're just another girl. सब ऐसे ही होती है.
Did you just generalize me?
तू भाई
माइक दे भाई
ये
को।
भाई तू बाहर जा
माइक दे
बाहर?
मार दे भाई को।
He's alpha. He's alpha.
ओ भाई
Now, guys, now it's only you three. How are we taking this forward?
भाई
सिर्फ तुम 3 बचे हो अब. Good luck, man. Next time.
कट गया भाई
You're honest. You have accepted. I think you should come forward. So date.
Yay. Thank you.
And even you, like I said, you are honest. So date, I think. Man, you can wait forever. तुम थम जाओ. I mean, if your answer was a little different than what it was, even if you're being honest, I don't trust you.
that's your red flag right
Now that you've said that,
but I am ready to accept that हम accept
see the
जानबूझ के आग लगा रहे हैं
वो मीम नहीं होता
ट्रस्ट बिल्ड कर लेंगे हम धीरे धीरे
no, you should wait.
वेट
Yes. What are your values and intentions? Like, what do you look in a partner, and how do you want your partner to be?
Communication is very important for me. Loyalty is very important for me. मुझे मेरे पार्टनर में एक दोस्त भी चाहिए जिनके साथ मैं हंस सकूं, जिनके साथ मैं एंजॉय कर सकूं. So this is something I'm looking for in my partner.
Okay,
ये वो था ना शर्मा जी का बेटा एकदम.
cute.
Well, for me, I would say कि I have no restrictions first of all, but I don't want कि किसी तीसरे इंसान से आके मुझे कुछ पता चले. So it's better कि मुझे सामने से आके कुछ बोल दे और कुछ गलती हो गई है. That's one thing I always look out
Transparency.
for. Yes.
What I would expect from a partner is transparency, of course, and someone who is very ambitious in life. If my partner is not ambitious, you know, someone who keeps procrastinating. If I get someone like that, then I'm going to end up, you know, doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So I think the first and the foremost thing is like trust, because obviously love, care and affection is going to grow throughout its course, right? But trust is something that I want to be at its max since the day one. If I'm going in, so I'm going all in. तो मतलब मेरे mind में 2 सेकंड के लिए thought नहीं
He's
आता.
going in, he's going all in. Let's go!
That's what she said.
Spicy.
Wow. No, stop smiling. You should wait for this round.
She's trying to make it more interesting, okay?
No, I'm just, you know, playing hard to get. You had a nice answer. I liked it. We have a lot of things in common. And I think date. Yeah,
तो है भाई.
you're a nice guy, very sweet. I can't sugarcoat it anymore, you should wait. And you. Date, yes. Sure. Trust. So now, I'll give you a situation. हम एक vacation पे जा रहे हैं. And we have been planning it for a long time, and we're very excited to spend some time alone.
हम ना हम.
Hypothetical hum. But suddenly, मेरा male best friend decides to join. He has to join because he.
उसकी नानी मर गई घर पे कोई नहीं है उसको संभालने के लिए तो आ गया मेरे साथ.
Yes. So how would you react?
Is he in the same room?
Yeah, I mean, we booked a Airbnb and we have to share a mattress.
कुछ नहीं उसके लिए मतलब एक क्या बोलते हैं वो पिलो लाता बेड सजा देता.
Really?
हाँ सर डाल देता उधर.
No, but what if I ask you to sleep on the mattress?
Then you're fucked in your head.
वो साथ में सोने वाला है. एक ही रूम में. ठीक है.
भाई रेड फ्लैग दे दे इसको.
मैंने जैसे पहले बताया हुआ था, like I hate guy best
Okay.
friends, but I can with this understanding कि चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Not at all in the room. That's no questions asked. I hate guy best friends, so I mean I'm allowing you to actually have one.
Excuse me, how?
Yeah.
What is allowing me?
अगर साथ
That's
में
a word
है,
you not use. Women don't like that.
I mean I don't mind paying for him for another room or booking a bigger Airbnb, but at least not in the same room. If he has any issues, then he can actually go with you only.
That's point
As simple
blank,
as that.
very honest, I like it. So, I have another situation.
Ooh, you like animals, right?
Oh yeah.
You guys are on a trip, right? You guys are on a trip, and
You find a pet.
नहीं, हाईवे पे कुत्ता सामने आ गया, भैंचो उसको उड़ा दिया.
That's not conflict, that's dark. That's
Then
dark as fuck.
what would you do if you fucking run out? You stop the car or you just fucking...
भाई you hurt anybody और तू हॉस्पिटल ही लेके जाएगा भाई तू.
अबे कुत्ते को उड़ा रहा तू.
I like dogs, I love dogs. And you like cats. But I want to have, like,
Allergy cats है वो. Sorry.
you're coming forward, man. You're coming forward. So, I want to have like 5-6 dogs around our home but I don't like cats, so I don't like to be around cats. How would you react to it?
Dogs are a big mess. On the other hand, cats are very easy to manage.
Hey, cats are not easy to live with, sorry.
No, I need to wake up first. I just slept during that. Sorry.
So you don't like cats and I don't
Yeah.
like dogs.
Yeah.
So let's do a thing now. Let's come on a common ground.
मुर्गी ले लो भैंचो.
But वो मैं खा जाऊँगा dinner पर. So I think
Red flag. सच में मुर्गी ले लेते हैं फिर तो.
मुर्गी फिर वो डिनर तक खत्म हो जाएगा. वो थोड़ा रिस्की है. So dogs and chicken को छोड़ के कुछ और लेते हैं. तू क्यों कटने आ रहा है?
काट रहा हूँ, कट नहीं रहा हूँ, काट.
Wow, man. You all are dark. I'm a vegetarian.
Why?
Since none of y'all are even closer to the finish line, I mean, I can still pick and choose who I want to go on a date with. See, man, you're a very sweet dude, very nice, but just not what I'm looking for. And you, on the other hand, I really liked your vibe. I really liked how understanding you are, and overall, I would think that we would be very compatible. And so, hence, you should wait.
ये फिर नहीं देगी.
I like your personality. You can be my bro, you know.
ए, best friend मैं बनूँगा मैं.
You can wait. Yeah, so you. We have a lot of things in common, and even though I don't like nonchalant people, I think we can work around that. Even though you're 2 steps back, you can take 2 steps ahead, and we can go on a date.
भाई green flag क्यों पूछा फिर हमसे?
Good job. Go get up. Nice.
So, how would you ask me out?
Don't tell me you're a matcha person. Thank God. We can figure it out on coffee.
No, I don't even like coffee.
Or else, a dog cafe or a cat cafe, wherever you choose.
I hate cats.
ठीक है, then dog cafe. I don't mind.
That's cute. Bye, guys.
बाहर रहेगा.
So, if you enjoyed watching this video, do let us know in the comment sections, and
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Filter Copy Candid.